Hey guys, Brandon with Blue Pig and Working Outdoors here. We're about 2 miles down this side of Cloudland Canyon on the Gulch Trail. Taking a little break and pick me up, so we're going to make some coffee real quick with what we got on hand. We need some water, so we're going to take it right from the source. I really used to use bleach or iodine. I've been drinking this water for the majority of my life, so the worst thing it's going to do is give me the runs. So we're just going to boil it. So you got a couple options. You can use the Black Rifle Coffee Instant Coffee. It's not bad. I keep it in my truck. I keep some in my backpack just in case I get out on a trail or I'm hunting or I got vehicle trouble. I always have the capability to get a little bit of something warm in my system. But I brought some gunship today. Now I forgot my pour over support. So this might be a little hard to do. We don't know yet. We're going to find out together. So that's heating up. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to prep my filter. I like to rinse my filters out first. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can do it as a pour over, or you can do it as a steep method with the filters. Get that going. And we are big on the leave no trace. So even though this is empty, we're going to make sure to fold it up and we're going to pack it out with us. Like everyone should. Now I know boiling is not an optimal temperature for brewing coffee, but it's wild water, it's out of the creek, so we're going to follow the survival manual guidelines. We're going to let it boil for at least 2 minutes. It's already boiling. I'll turn up the heat just a little bit to get it there. Now I know some of you are already thinking that I should have built a fire, but I'm in a state park, so it's state park rules. And we're not in a designated fire area. We're going to do the normal pour over routine. We're going to soak our grounds. We're going to let it bloom for about 30 seconds. One edge up so I can see where we're at. We're going to start adding some hot water. Alright, so there you go. In there. Pack our grains out with us. Enjoy the cup of coffee. You really want to do it right. Do it a little bit different. Back in our pack. Perfect.